Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMate Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to align the text on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to align the text on your Microsoft Excel mobile, I'm just going to show in this video. So first we're just going to zoom in show. So for an example here, I'm just going to type something like this, something like this, and something like this. And here I'm just going to type something like let's be just going to align the first text on the cell. Click on this option and you will see on the home section, just scroll down, you can just move this. You can see it's adjusting, so it's on center. For an example, I just choose everything. So the first option which brings it up down, for an example, if you're having a bigger cell like this, you just need to make it on center, or you just make it on the top, or you just make it on the bottom section, and this is for make it on the center. So left line, right line, and center line, this is for justify on the center. This is how you just align the text on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.